Hey guys, welcome back to Verta Training. In this video, we're going to be going over how to add products, but more specifically, how to add flower products. Now, if you're watching this video, you should already have your store set up and be looking at something like mine on my screen, and should already have Greenline integrated and ready to go. If you don't, just make sure to go back and watch those videos, but we'll keep going now. So we're going to hit products, and we're starting with a fresh sheet, so that's great. And you're going to hit the create button in the top right, and then you're going to hit this view button up here. And this allows you to see all the products that are currently in Greenline that Verta can read. And we're looking for our flower product, which is sativa, and then you're going to hit select. And this is going to auto-populate everything it can for you, and then you're going to have to fill in the rest. So for collections, it's a flower product. And if you don't know what collection is, just make sure to go back and watch that video and then come back here. But we'll keep going on. Product name is sativa. Some retailers want to put, the producer sativa by who, up to you for the product name, but we're just pulling whatever we can from Greenline. For the producer, in your portal, you'll see a big long list of the producers, but we're just going to see tests in our demo environment here today. For the unit type, it's flower, so it's going to be grams, just like that. Don't worry about THC and CBD being 0. That comes in when you autofill the variant, so we'll just move on. The strain, it's a sativa, given by the name, and then we're going to hit submit. And this successfully creates the product in Verta, and the next step is to link it. So you're going to hit integration and view. This pulls up the same thing as before. You can see all the products, sativa, and this time it says link. You click link, and that's going to auto-populate things like media for you, and there's a big nug. And the next step is to go to variants and actually create the variant that the user can purchase. So same deal, you'll see a little view button. You click that, and this time it only shows the variant information, and we're going to hit select. It's going to autofill everything it can for you. And size, so there's 7 of the grams, so the size is 7. And the position is 1. So depending on how many variants you have in a specific product, you'll say, okay, I want my 3.5s first, then my 7s, then my 15s. But in this example, we only have 1 variant, so we're just going to put 1. It sometimes will do have a range, sometimes it won't. So for this case, we have 0 to 0.1 for CBD and 13 to 17 for THC, and autofilled for us there. Great. I want the product to be visible, yes, and obviously it will be taxable, and yes, it's a cannabis product. And then fulfillment type. So this does depend on the regulation, depending on the province or state that you're in. But for this example, I'm going to be picking all 3 fulfillment types there, and then hit submit. So now it's been successfully made, and there's the variant. And the last step is just to link them. Now you're linking the variant in Greenline with the variant in Verta, and boom. Now it's linked up and ready to go. And the last step is just to show the product for the consumer. So now by having visible, it's being shown on your storefront, either on your website or on the Verta marketplace. And to double check, I'm going to hit refresh now. And this is the consumer portal for this store. And boom, there it is, sativa. The unit price is $9.99 a gram, based on 7 grams for $69. And it's ready to be added to cart. There we go. So it's product successfully made. And I'll see you guys in the next video.